บะหมี่เผ็ดแห้งไทยดักนูดเดิล
Ingredients: fresh egg noodles, fresh pork belly fat, or pork skin with fat, fresh garlic, peeled and finely chopped, sliced barbecued pork, fresh shrimps, dried shiitake mushrooms optional, soaked in hot water 10 minutes and thinly sliced, bok choy or any green vegetables, large chopped, green onion and cilantro, chopped, thin soy sauce, Thai pepper powder, to taste. Directions: chop pork fat into large dice, add to wok, fry on medium-low heat. Add a few tablespoons of vegetable oil. Keep stirring, do not let it burn. Cook until pork releases liquid fat and the pork belly turns golden and crispy. If your pork doesn't have much fat, add a bit more vegetable oil. Remove the crispy pork to a plate and set aside. Leave the oil in the wok. Next, turn the heat down a bit, and add chopped garlic into the oil. Keep stirring until the garlic turns light brown. Then add a little bit of salt, it helps the garlic stay crispy. Now, put crispy pork back into the wok with the garlic, stir together, and transfer all oil, garlic and pork to a bowl. Set aside. In a large pot of boiling water, blanch your green vegetables. Then put a small amount into a serving bowl. Next, top the blanched greens with blanched egg noodles. Add to the noodles 1 spoon of fried pork and garlic with oil, some sliced barbecued pork, 1 or 2 cooked shrimps, green onion, cilantro, shiitake, and Thai white pepper powder. Season with soy sauce, and a dash of message if you like. Mix well.